Yes guys, we are at the BBC building now. That's it. That's it. While they read the news, BBC One Extra, everything. Yeah, see it? One time I used to do over here, so one time I work. So I know say them security they want to tell me to left now. They're up on the bottom of Regent Street, London. Oxford Circus. That's a Regent Street there, so. That leads you up to Oxford Circus. Alright. See the BBC sign. Yeah. Alright, I left here now still. Next we take a walk. We'll go up Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square. We'll sit down and see what I go on down this as well. 453. So the big bus there. 453. So guys, remember now, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Pass it, just send the video to everyone, and respect to everyone to make we reach 1,000 subscribers and counting. Yeah man, we just want to big up to everyone there. Click the link, pass it on and everything. Alright. They're dead though. Before it's time busy. Marble Arch, Oxford Circus, Piccadilly. I think we do have Piccadilly already, you know. We do have Piccadilly already, don't we? See there? That's at the BBC building. Say if I never fall, I'll go on now with this quarantine, this what they call it, coronavirus thing, man. I know your person would have busy as much as over 4 o'clock now. They're busy, but now everybody is staying, everybody afraid. Well, I got Trafalgar Square now. Come up here today, but I don't get nothing still. But I know it's true me mostly. I focus on what I do still. You know, that's true, I mostly I focus on what I do with this video and thing. Next video, watch out. What am I do? What am I do? Tomorrow I want to do a next video. Watch out, see 12 there. Lucky number 12. Look here. Next up we are going to Trafalgar Square. Watch out now. See them building there? Oh, number. Yeah, busted. When I get that bus here, I will keep going. Gone. So, I go on. See, all I go up here, so. Then, you want to tears him. Two of them. police like dirt. I'm going away, someone. You know I'm going, but then grab that one there. And when they get checked. Some demonstration are going by place. Always excitement to press up.
¿Dónde estás tú? Para que te diga.
¿Agua por eso?
I'll come see you when you comes
Hey, I want to, you know, when something up you're saying, yes, the police are coming from all corner, you know. You hear that? Yeah, look at what. Yes, the bad then tell the police. All Jamaica in there, what boxing get right now. About that, he tell the look at the police all again, you know. I tell police to shut up. Mention him again. Alright. Yes. Time to go home now. Come off of the road. I don't know where them police there. Where them youth they do, but I want to know the police them know why them draw down on them. The police they know why them draw down on them, and so much of them come to. Them know why. I can go home, man, because I don't know how me come a road and I left my jacket. Smarty. Smart. Yeah, so guys, anytime you call anyone come to London, this is the city, this is the capital, this is the heart of London still. Leicester Square, Piccadilly, Trafalgar Square, Oxford Circus. This is the Canadian embassy in Trafalgar Square. Yeah. So shopping, if you want to do shopping, you come to London and you do shopping. This is the place to do it. West, so West End. Just for you come to West End, that's it. The two helicopters there. What them up to now, man? So this is Trafalgar Square. Night I come down now. Time for me to go. See them there? Oh, them there? See them there? Trafalgar Square. So that's at the Canadian embassy in a Trafalgar Square. And place at the heart of London. Anytime you hear them have demonstration, and them place where them a come. Anytime you have them demonstration. Right, I said, any little thing at Trafalgar Square, right, I said, then there. Westminster just lay down from the bottom there, so we could go down Westminster. Yeah. So that's the Canadian Embassy. And then in London, you want to find the Canadian Embassy. Just come to Trafalgar Square, that's it. And you'll find it. See the black cab them there? Them are the two main things you know see there in London. See them there? The black cab and the taxi. Just like in New York you have the yellow cab. Them are 4 yellow cab, the black cab them. So we bus them. All of them red. Everyone red. This is Trafalgar Square. I'm gonna read news. Run, 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 run. So as we say, New York, them have the yellow cab. London we have the black cab, see there? That's a full taxi. The full public transport there. Go across now. So from Trafalgar Square it leads on to Westminster Parliament Square. Whoop. Yeah. So guys, that's it now. See it from a different angle, Trafalgar Square. Battery low, battery a dead star. I'm going down to Parliament Square, you know. Jeez. Alright. Guys, here my battery are dead now, so I turn guys. Back at it again. Now we are Piccadilly Square. Wow, wow. Time to go home now. See? Me left my jacket, I can't believe. Ah, it's a bus. Left my jacket. Alright, so this is Piccadilly now. Piccadilly Square. Whoop! Pump it up. Alright. what growing on the club, you know. That's why them are going. Long time I don't go to work, we check them. See the coronavirus, me have to stop work at the club, you know. So what growing, you go see what going. This used to be my place. Every night me up here so they are work. And now can't come up here at all, finally get a couple things. Piccadilly Institute. This used to be a nightclub too, you know, it locked down as fast. Lock it down. Coronavirus bad on it, master. Lock it down. Oh, and the other one up here, so locked down as well. So McDonald's said no rubbish eating, healthy eating me I did. Feel hungry still. No rubbish eating me left one. Where next club? The one next club there's somewhere so we locked down too, you know. Wait. Yeah. See it? Alright, yes, sir. See it? Lockdown as well. Coronavirus bad on it. Lockdown. Yeah. So next door did the right, yes, sir. Coronavirus lock it down too. You see what of them? Lock them down flat. See all the sign and take down off of them. Alright.